during my 12th, when I was in school, I couldn't give JEE Advanced due to some problem. So I had a rage in my mind that I missed that time, but I couldn't afford missing this time again. So there was a very high determination within me to perform. So that determination helped me to overcome these hurdles, and it's good to know that I did it.
Hello everyone, Siddharth Jain here. This is the first episode of GATE series. As GATE 2022 registration is being started, so I decided to do podcast with students who already cracked GATE with good rank. I know many students have lots of doubt, questions, and many students do self-study, so they do not get proper guidance, tips, and strategy. In this GATE series, the toppers will give their mindset, their strategies, and their secret. You will get proper guidance. I hope this GATE series video will help you a lot. Today I am here with Manas Singh Lodi, who cracked GATE 2021 from Engineering Science branch and Sector India Rank 268. Currently, he is pursuing MTech from IIT Kharagpur. Guys, mainly this podcast is for Engineering Science branch student, but there is some points which is common for all branch students. So I suggest you to go with timestamps that I provided in description. Guys, before this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.
Hi Manas, welcome to Podvox.
Hi Rahul. Hi Siddharth.
How are you, brother?
I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
Yeah, I am also good. Manas, tell us something about yourself, from where you completed your engineering and in which branch.
I'm Manas Singh Lodi. I am from Jabalpur. I have done my schooling from St. Joseph's Convent, Ranchi, and my BTech is in Mechanical Engineering from Hitkarni College of Engineering and Technology. I graduated in 2021.
Okay. Manas, which GATE exam did you appear for, and what were your scores? Was this your first attempt?
Yeah, this was my first attempt. I graduated this year only, so this was my first attempt.
Okay, and what was your score in GATE?
I keep GATE in XC paper, GATE XC paper, and my GATE marks were 64.33 and my GATE score was 691.
Okay, Manas, has you done BTech from Mechanical Engineering? So why to go with Engineering Science branch for GATE exam?
Yeah, I wanted to start with Mechanical Engineering only, but I was late in preparation. I had only 4 months before GATE will arrive. So I thought maybe if I will give in Mechanical Engineering, so GATE Mechanical is very competitive paper, most number of students, highest cutoff, most competition. So I thought maybe I will not perform according to my potential. So I thought maybe this year let's give it XC paper, and next year I'll give it mechanical. Because I came to know about XC paper, and XC became very famous among mechanical engineers, and I believe almost every mechanical engineer would have appeared in XC paper.
Manas, when did you start preparing for GATE exam? And what is the best time to start with GATE preparation?
I wanted to start my preparation 1 year ahead of GATE, but due to the pandemic and all classes going online, and so I thought maybe this is not my year. So I thought maybe I'll take a year drop. But then I came to know about GATE XC paper. And 6 months before GATE to actually happen, I started preparing. I think the ideal time to start preparation is from 5th semester, because people like me who don't get into momentum from the first day itself. I mean, people like me who like to procrastinate a little and who are not too much focused about studies take a little time to get into the flow. So if we start from 5th sem, 6 months we will complete the notes, and we will come into flow. And from the 6th semester, we have complete 1 year to dedicatedly prepare for GATE and get a good rank. So I think starting from 5th sem, it's the ideal time.
Manas, please tell us about your overall preparation strategies.
I started 4th month prior to GATE because my original interest was in mechanical paper, but I didn't have enough time. So I started watching Unacademy videos from YouTube. I also took subscription of 3 months because XE paper requires a little more attention in specific subjects than mechanical. So for that, videos are not available online because everyone teaches for mechanical perspective and not much is clear about XE paper. So I took 3 month subscription from Unacademy and I did dedicatedly started preparation for XE paper.
Which books did you refer to for GATE exam?
I gave GATE with in XE paper you have to choose two subjects, two technical subjects. Apart from maths, obviously, maths and aptitude are non-technical subject. Technical subject, we have to choose two technical subjects. So I chose solid mechanics and thermodynamics. For thermodynamics, there's a very good book called Angel. Mechanical engineers would be familiar with it. And for SOM, I studied James Gear. These two books, I think these are the best in their respective subjects. And for more questions, you can join test series and also you can solve ESC mains previous year questions. That will be complete. No, not anything else is required, I think.
Manas, did you take any coaching? If yes, please tell us about the same.
I would have loved to join Made Easy or ACE Engineering, but due to the pandemic, it was not possible. So the best mode was to take subscription in an academy. All top educators are there. So I did coaching in an academy.
Manas, what are some of the most important topics or subjects for GATE engineering science preparation that every candidate must prepare?
For mechanical engineers, there are 3 subjects to choose from. Out of these 3, you can choose any 2. These 3 subjects are fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and solid mechanics. I chose solid mechanics and thermodynamics because the extra syllabus is very less. It is the same as that of mechanical engineering. In fluid mechanics, you have to dedicate another 100 to 150 hours to study for XE. But in thermodynamics, 20-25 hours more study than what mechanical students study, it's enough. And for solid mechanics, it's almost the same. Not almost, it is exactly the same as mechanical engineering study. So they can choose from SOM. I will suggest them to choose SOM and thermodynamics. Thermodynamics would require little effort, but not much than that of fluid mechanics.
Okay. Manas, what was the most difficult aspect for your GATE preparation?
I lose my focus very easily. And I started my preparation from September, I think, August or September. Then suddenly IPL came last year. I didn't want to, I believe that I will not watch IPL, but still I watched and that wasted a lot of my time. So I think losing focus is one of my drawback. And also with college exams, vivas and practicals, we all have to do a lot of assignments. So that also came in my way. So yeah, that was a little bit demotivating. But anyhow, good. I got a decent rank and score.
How you come from this problem? Like you are not able to focus. So how you overcome from this?
I was very motivated to join IIT, as every engineer's dream is to get into IIT. So I had a belief in myself that whatever happens, I have to get an admission into IIT because it's a dream of everyone. Everyone wants to get into IIT. I don't think there is anyone who will say no, I don't want to. And I missed during my 12th when I was in school. I couldn't give JEE Advanced due to some problem. So I had a rage in my mind that I missed that time, but I couldn't afford missing this time again. So there was a very high determination within me to perform. So that determination helped me to overcome these hurdles, and it's good to know that I did it.
Yeah, great. Manas, what was the role of GATE mock test in your preparation and why they are important?
Yeah, GATE mock tests are very important. If a student has to get a good rank, then he must surely give mock test. I too purchased Ace Academy mock test, but I did only out of 100. There are more than 100 papers available, and at most I would have attempted 10. That was a very big drawback, and it costed me my rank. I was preparing for two-digit rank, and I had to compromise with 268 because I didn't give mock test. This resulted in me very. I did very silly mistake. What you say? I did many silly mistakes, and because I attempted more than 90 marks in my paper, and I was sure that I will get a very good rank. But due to silly mistakes, which happened due to lack of mock test, I got a rank of 268, which was very less than my expectation. So to perform very well, even if you have 100% preparation, then also you have to give mock test. Otherwise, you will do silly mistakes like I did.
According to you, mock test is very, very important to secure the good rank.
Yes, during preparation, you will think that no, I have complete preparation. I have studied 100%. I will get full marks. But if you straight away get into exams, you will definitely do silly mistakes, and that will cost you your rank. So no matter how much confidence you have, don't get overconfident. Always give mock test. It will let you know what are your weaknesses and what are your shortcomings.
Okay. Manas, why did you choose GATE over other career options?
I love engineering. I love physics. From starting, I was in 9th or 10th. Then I made my mind I have to do engineering. I think I was born to be an engineer. So everyone who thinks like me should give GATE. There are other options also, CAT or job or many other options, but for people like me who love engineering, GATE is the biggest platform. So there were no other option for me.
Okay. Manas, how did you utilize your free time and what all activities did you do to refresh your mind?
Honestly, there was no free time because of me losing focus and procrastinating, watching IPL, watching cricket matches, having fun with friends. There was no free time. Whatever timetable I prepare, I studied less than that. So there was no free time. I actually compromised with that.
Okay.
For others who have free time, who have completed their studies, they can do whatever they like.
Manas, do you think a student pursuing graduation must give GATE exam?
See, it depends on their personal interest. There are plenty of options to choose from: GATE, CAT, GRE, and defense services. There are many options, but those who like engineering, those who want to become engineer by profession, GATE is the biggest platform for them. And it gives very great opportunities for students who want to be engineer. So for students who want to be an engineer for their lifetime, GATE is the biggest option. Rest it depends on personal interest.
It is okay when I know some students start preparation during last year of their graduation. So please give some insight for them.
You can prepare for GATE within 6 months. You can prepare easily in 6 months, but it is not valid for people like me who don't study very seriously. For those who study seriously, 6 months is enough. So if you think you can get dedicate 10 to 12 hours every day easily without any problem, so I don't think they will have any problem. Even with 6 month preparation time, they can get a very good rank. But for others who don't get momentum too easily, those who have problem like me, losing focus or due to some problems they can't give total time what they have decided, then they must start preparing a little early from fifth sem or sixth sem. But 1 year is a sufficient enough time. In 1 year, one can get 100 rank easily.
Okay. Manas, tell us the opportunities and career options after cracking GATE Engineering Science exam.
For NITs, no NIT takes admission from GATE paper, but IITs, especially big IITs like IIT Bombay and IIT Madras, every option which is available to mechanical engineers, the same options are available to engineering science students. So they have absolutely no problem giving GATE exit paper. One of my friend having the same rank and same score as me got admission in IIT Bombay material science branch. And other IITs like my IIT, IIT KGP also give many options which mechanical engineers have. But the two IITs that everyone dreams of, Delhi, Mumbai, and Madras, they get the same opportunities to execute paper, same as that of mechanical engineers. So those who don't have sufficient time or don't have time to prepare for all subject of mechanical, they can easily give XC paper and can take admission in that dream IIT.
Okay. Did you appear for any other exam apart from GATE?
No. I only give GATE. My focus was always GATE.
So, if anyone is not able to crack GATE, so there is any other options for them?
Yeah, there are various options. Every PSU which take a separate exam from GATE, they have the same syllabus and same pattern as that of GATE. Even those who want to crack engineering service examination, ESC preparation is just a step ahead of GATE. So if they prepare wholeheartedly for GATE, then maybe if they don't get a decent rank or score in GATE, then they can successfully crack ESC, because ESC tests more of knowledge than the aptitude or time limit. Because it is possible in GATE that even after 100% preparation, you can't get good score, but you have decent knowledge and good knowledge, then you can definitely crack ESC. So those who can't crack GATE with a good rank, they can easily crack other exams like ESC and state PSU exams or central PSU exams. GATE is like a platform. It is like a junction to move to different paths.
Yeah, you are right. Okay, Manas, so please share some tips that would help or GATE aspirant in future.
First of all, make a timetable and don't ever betray it. Follow it wholeheartedly and make a decent timetable so that to get enough time for revision and question solving. Second most important tip is to solve previous GATE exams papers from 2010 onwards. Every question that has been asked in GATE, that you should know it by heart, because GATE is a repetition of every exam. I mean, every GATE paper is a repetition of previous GATE papers. So if you prepare only previous year's questions, you can get at least 60 to 70 marks. Rest depends on your skill. And don't waste time. Don't lose focus. Join test series. Test series is also very important. And take a little time in advance. Like if you think you can crack GATE in 8 months, so take start preparing 10th month ahead to cover the loss of 2 months, which can occur due to some unwanted and unrecoverable topics. So these are my tips. Hopefully, if anyone is listening, they can succeed.
It will really help the coming student who are preparing for GATE.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Manas, for being on my show, and thank you for your time.
Welcome, Siddharth.
Yeah.
Pleasure for me as well.
Yeah. Best of luck. Have a great career ahead.
Thank you.